actually tomorrow noon, but definitely I'm gonna come back here, guys. Definitely. Hello. Look at this. I was thinking to do live, guys, but unfortunately my stick, I don't know how to use it now. So, and Roy was saying that it just is shaking, and usually I don't watch my videos, but thanks to him, so I checked it and it's not good. I understand that, so I have to figure it out, guys. After that we do live, but for now we do old-fashioned way. So this is the night at Sanur, guys. And pretty much everywhere they have a live music, guys, here too. A lot of big restaurants here, guys. This beach is really lovely, guys, especially if you want to go for a run in the evening or just you want to go for a relaxed walk. It's just one of a kind, guys. I really love Sanur. I really do, guys. And after Seminyak and Ubud, probably I'm going to come and spend here minimum 2 weeks. This is my place. Nusa Dua and Sanur is just like two lovely places. Hello, how are you? So now they're packing up everything for this resort for tomorrow morning. Holy shit, they have to pack and unpack all this. Oh, look at the dinner setting for this resort. It's just lovely. Look at this. Hello. Look at here, guys. Oh, macaroni. Looks lovely. Looks lovely, guys. Right here, beach barbecue. So 620, roughly I would say $50 Canadian, guys. And I'm sure you can book and you can, it's lovely from Monday to, and plus 10%, and you have to book it 24 hours in advance. But look at the setting, guys, it's just lovely. Really need a hot date. Seriously, I'm missing one of these kind of event, you know, to bring really nice chick, you know, to dress up and come and sit at the beach. Something that is worth it. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Not mumbo jumbo. This Sanur Beach is just mind-blowing beautiful, guys. It's just, I really love here. And especially if you spend enough money, you can stay in one of these beautiful resorts. So, you know, but here is not cheap, guys. Like here in Nusa Dua, I find out they're very, very expensive. Because look at it, look at the setting, guys. You're just staying next to the beach, and it's, I know it's big, nice. I never been inside, but it just shows, you know, like beautiful barbecue at the beach, and then they have a sunbeds and so on and so forth. And if you are somebody in budget, you can stay in the homestay or guest house. That is really, mine is very clean. I'm really happy with mine, extremely clean, and they do cleaning every day. So I'm really happy. And the beach is beautiful here. I really, really like the beach in Sanur. It's just like really lovely and peaceful. And it is not crowded. Look at this. And there's everywhere is a security because of this expensive resort, obviously. So it is very safe. The same thing in Nusa Dua. Like you won't see security in any other beaches here except in Nusa Dua and Sanur. This is based on my experience, guys. So there's another restaurant here. Hello. How are you guys? I'm good, thank you. Fisherman Club. So this is another really gigantic restaurant here. Hello, how are you? Oh, you see, they pack everything and then they set it up tomorrow again. This is a lot of work, man. But obviously it's an expensive resort. Hello, how are you? And people love to be in camera here, man. No complication, no ignorance, no looks. The looks that I'm getting only from tourists. And if you don't have money to sit in that kind of resort, you buy a few beers like these French people and sitting by the beach and listening to the music, you know. So obviously they don't want to pay the premium, but sitting there and enjoying it, guys. That's the way it is. You have to find a way. All of them, they had a beer, guys, sitting next to that place and then listening to the music. Always, you don't need money to enjoy your life. I hope one day, soon, when I'm walking somewhere in Southeast Asia, I don't hear ta, 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 ta. And I'm sure what is that means. Just like enough is enough, man. Everywhere is a ta ta. It is 7 p.m. guys, and you see that it's so peaceful. Everything, pretty much everybody is packing all these small bars, and everything else pretty much is closed. Just a big one left. And yeah, it's just really peaceful location, guys. I just really love it. Look at it. It's just like 7 o'clock. Not too much noise, not too many people. You can go for a long walk. You can see that one of these bars, restaurant, whatever that you want to do, but it's just peaceful. That's it. Hello. Everybody waving at me, guys. Local people, I mean. So I'm close to Icon Mall now. So here there's more restaurants and so on and so forth, guys. More people here in this side. Yeah, so like overall, guys, it's just extremely peaceful. So if you don't want a crowd like Canggu or Seminyak or Ubud, here is just lovely. Beautiful beach, you can hang out at the beach. And at night, it's just crowded, you just relax.
extra.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Some prison and time keeps dragging on, but that train keeps rolling down to
paling view sih ngapa sih nak?
Okay guys, now I'm at Icon, Bali. So here is much more busy. Go ahead. No worries. Hello. Oops. Seems to me I wasn't filming, guys. So I want to take you guys to the main road now to show you guys there's few restaurants, few bars, everything. You can find everything here, but it is not noisy and crazy. It's just like peaceful time here. Icon Bali. Beautiful. I really love that, guys. My last day, but definitely I'm coming back here, guys. This is my place. This and Nusa Dua is just my place, guys. So this big, huge residential development, guys, is just like out of business. Seems to me they couldn't complete it. And it was next to Icon Bali, guys. The location is just like beautiful. So what happened to it, God knows. As usual, because of COVID, guys. So what happened? COVID just stopped a lot of Yeah, it is 7 o'clock and nobody here, guys. So quiet. And the massage girls looking for customers. This is the normal massage, guys. It is not one of those crazy massages. Just a normal massage. Just they don't have customer, guys. This is a perfect family place, guys. To come with your family, just relax, go to this restaurant, just nice family time. Nothing bullshit, no crowd, no nonsense. It's just a lovely place. Andrew, my friend, when you come to your villa here, so when you get here, Soya, this restaurant, so you have to walk through this way to go to your villa. Just remember that. Right there, Soya. So it is very easy to remember because it's a very big restaurant. So hello. So if you want a Thai food, they have a Oh My Thai here too. Hello. I guess this is the only big bar here, I guess. I'm assuming, I don't know. It just looks like it. This restaurant is very busy too, guys. Very, very busy. Even for a lunch it was busy, guys. So I haven't been there, but next time that I'm coming here, definitely I'm gonna try this restaurant. I need a really nice date, to take one nice date to nice place. I'll find it. Oh, there's a construction going on here. It's just like fixing the road and everything, guys. Hello. Oi. This guy's gonna drop something in my head. I gotta move. Okay guys, pretty much now you guys have a good idea what you're gonna get here. Very peaceful, lot of restaurants, really peaceful time, perfect for family, even for single, you know, perfect. It is not for 20 years old backpackers, but you know, if you are a mature individual, you're going to love it, really love it. So guys, I want to end the video. So cheers guys, I hope you guys like this video from Sanur too, and see you guys tomorrow in Seminyak. Cheers guys, bye bye.